Third period in your exothermic and endothermic reactions this week. We'll be now going through, you'll now have some time, to look back over your work and just look back over some of the videos and just correct your work. Make sure your corrections are in your work and you're uploading them as well onto your OneNote. Okay, so spend 10 minutes just completing and correcting your work from last lesson. If you haven't already, if you didn't get the time to finish that, sometimes there can be quite a bit. So do go back and use that 10 minutes there. If you have finished, then please do go on to the extension here, which is just quickly research how these three things work. And you can pause the video there, and then we can briefly talk about it after. Okay, so these three products, they do work via endo and exothermic reactions, so I'm sure you would have figured the link. So here, these coffee or self-heating cans of coffee, you press the button here and you've got a pin, and it kind of breaks this foil, and this foil is a separator, or separates the water and the quicklime, which is quicklime, I think it's calcium oxide. So it breaks the foil, and then these two react, and that's your exothermic reaction there. And then your hand warmer is kind of a similar thing where you have to push something or activate it using kind of like a kinetic energy first. So there's a metal rod in here, and you just kind of break that metal rod, and then you get the salt. You get salts in here which crystallize, and when they crystallize, a chemical reaction of this salt crystallizing kind of releases heat, and that goes to the surroundings of your hand or whatever. This is kind of a similar reaction, probably to the self, more so to the self-heating can probably. I think there's two chemicals in here, and when you break the bag that is in here, the two chemicals mix, and you get an endothermic reaction, and that takes in heat. So your past paper questions, they should be on your Firefly page. So do open them, and you can print them off, or you can just file print out in your OneNote and just double click on some of these and just paste them in. I think that's preferred to opening the Word document and just editing the Word document. It's preferred to just upload this as a file printout first and then double click over some of these spaces. It's 26 marks, so you'll have 25 minutes to complete it and upload it. Should be enough time. And that is the end of the lesson.